Ready? Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Yahoo! Happy birthday. Woo! Happy birthday to you.
Hello everyone, this is PH2KL TV. May gusto lang akong batiin sa aking new member, Nobody but you. Ayan, Robilin Adventure. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Happy birthday na, Robilin. I'm so happy. I'm so grateful. Nakilala kita from Jinky Rose. Ayan. Napansin ko na parang luksong dugo, parang may bloodline ako sa iyo kasi napakagaan ng loob ko sa iyo. Nakita ko kasi na you're very humble, you are very sincere, you know. Isa kang mabuting kaibigan. I feel that. So thank you so much. Sana hindi ka magbabago at marami pang tao na darating sa buhay mo. Healthy, wealthy. You're very humble, anak. Thank you talaga sa iyong mga kapatid sa YouTube or sa Team PH na you are very supportive. Lagi kitang nakikita na nakasupport. Kahit na you are very busy, but you are still there. Thank you so much and I love you. Team PH. Yoo-hoo!
Birthday is as special as you are. May God grant all your wishes and all of your dreams come true. Thanks for being such a great friend. For birthday to come and good health. God bless. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Happy birthday, Sis Robilin. God bless.
Ayan. Hi Miss Robilin. Ayan. So binabati kita ng happy birthday. At ayan, marami pang blessing at more birthdays to come. At nandito ang Team Yahoo na nakasupport sa'yo. God bless. Enjoy your special day.
Happy birthday.
Beautiful. Gorgeous. Sexy.
Happy birthday, Sis Maring Robilin. Ayan, more birthdays to come. Long life. And thank you for being my friend. Maraming salamat sa mga pagsagot ng mga tinatanong ko kung minsan yung mga bagay-bagay na hindi ko alam. Thank you so much. At sana lagi kang masaya. Alam ko masayang-masaya ka ngayong birthday mo. Sana matupad mo lahat ng mga wishes mo sa buhay at mga plano mo sa mga anak mo. Ayan. Happy birthday. Love you.
kasi nakilala kita dito sa YT World. And salamat sa mga tulong and sa mga blessing na i-share mo sa amin mula pa noon hanggang ngayon. Sana marami pang blessing na darating sa'yo. Always to support you. So, enjoy your birthday, Sissy Rovaline. I love you and God. Happy birthday!
Birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday, dear Roby. Happy birthday, Roby. I love you. More birthday to come. God bless. Mama, chup chup.
Hello there, Sis Roveline. So, I just want to greet you a happy birthday. Ayan. Wish ko ngayong birthday mo na nawa ay lahat ng iyong mga dreams in life and also sa iyong pamilya ay makamit mo. So, ayan, happy birthday, Sis Roveline. Ayan, pasensya naman sis, na late ang aking greetings. So, ayan, hindi pa nga ako nakabihis. Galing ako sa Teacher's Day party naming mga teachers. So, ayan, once again, happy birthday, Sis Roveline. Stay healthy, ayan, sexy, syempre, and pretty. Ayan. God bless and ingat ka palagi dyan sa iyong work. Ayan, nakakatuwa pala sis. Nakita ko yung My Day ni sis Arvil Lopez. Ayan, I'm so happy dahil finally nagkita na kayo from YT friend to personal. So, ayan. Happy birthday again sis. Ingat kayo palagi dyan. God bless.
Happy birthday, Ate! God bless you! Thank you sa pag-tour sa amin dyan. And Shashing Kapor. Sa uulitin. Masarap sa'yo ulit. Happy birthday! God bless you more!
Hello everyone, mega love shout out po. Ako po ay si Relen De Vera at nandito po ako para batiin si Ate Roveline ng happy birthday, and I wish you all the best in life, good health and more blessings to come. And ingat ka po parati dyan, ate. I will take this opportunity para pasalamatan ka kasi isa ka sa tumulong sa akin nung panahong nangangailangan ako ng WH. And hanggang sa monetize na ako, andyan ka pa rin, ate, para suportahan ako. Maraming salamat, ate. And once again, happy birthday. Enjoy your day, ate. Bye-bye.
Hello everyone, this is Orbis Vlog. Guys, may babatiin lang ako. Isa sa aking kapatid dito sa Team Yahoo PH, Sissy Roveline. A happy birthday to you. Wish you good health and happiness always. And welcome to Team Yahoo PH. Good luck to your YouTube channel. And again, thank you, Ma'am PH. Nadagdagan na naman kami. Maraming salamat sa iyong kabaitan, Ma'am PH. Thank you so much. And again, Sissy Koy, happy birthday. We love you and God bless. Bye-bye, Sissy.
Ayan, nag-love shoutout everyone. I would like to take this opportunity para batiin ang isa sa naging friend ko sa YT, and now friend ko na into reality. Ayan, sa wakas, nakita na kami ni Ate Roveline Adventure here in Singapore. Ayan, thank you so much, Ate Roveline. I would like to greet you. Happy birthday. Ayan, happy 40th birthday. Ayan, sabi nga nila, life begins at 40. So, ayan, enjoy ang buhay. Thank you for the friendship. Thank you so much. I really appreciate everything you've done for me since first day off. Ayan, willing kang ihatid ako hanggang dito sa Canberra. Ayan, I'm here at Canberra now. And until, at dinala mo ako kung saan ay madali akong madali kong malagpasan yung homesick, yung magkamis sa pamilya, kahit paano naiiwasan ko. Natulong mo sa pagdala mo sa akin, and God God's kingdom. Yan, syempre. Thank you so much, Ate Robilin. Thank you for the day. Lagi kitang kasama every Sunday. Ayan, more Sundays with you. Ayan, thank you so much. Wala na akong ibang masabi. Napakabait ni Ate Robilin. Yung pagpupulang niya sa inyo ng pagiging mabait through YouTube, mas mabait pa siya in personal, guys. Kaya sana more luck on your channel, more success in life, at saka laging mag-ingat. Thank you so much, Ate Robin, from the bottom of my heart. Sobrang thank you talaga. Sobra ako nagpapasalamat sa iyo. Thank you, Ate.
Happy birthday, Mama. Ingat ka kanayon. I love you so much.
Guys, for today's video, guys, is mag-greet ako ng isang happy birthday. Langga Robilin Adventures. Ayan, guys. So, Langga, happy birthday. Sana ma-enjoy ka ngayon sa birthday mo. And sana ano ka na ng totoong love life mo. Ayan. So, itong si Langga Robilin, guys, is isa itong napakabait, napaka-supportive na bata, guys. So, marami kaming GC dito nagkasamang dalawa. Mga ilang GC na kami dito nagkasama. Kaya, ayan. Kaya, napaka-supportive talaga ditong bata na ito, guys. So, wish ko sa'yo is Langga is good health lang palagi kasi andyan ka sa malayo. And, ingat palagi dyan. Ingatan mo yung katawan mo. So, malayo ka sa pamilya. So, happy birthday to you, Langga. I love you. I love you very much. Alam mo yan. So, thank you so much sa support sa aking channel. So, ayan. Good. Happy birthday. Ayan. Thank you so much. And God bless you always, and good health always, and more birthdays to come, and stay healthy and pretty. And happy birthday! Love you!
Ruby, happy birthday. Sa pala kumatang kang agbalbali. O, Tagalog, sana hindi ka magbabago. Mahal na mahal kita, hindi lang bilang kaibigan. Talagang mahal na mahal kita bilang ano, 'di ba? Alam mo 'yun, 'di ba? Kasi nagpapautang ka, chok, darok, chok. Kasi 40 years old ka na, 'di ba? Kaya ginagalang kita at mahal na mahal kita. Sana hindi ka magbabago, 'yun lang. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, Robilin. I love you. Mag-iingat ka palagi.